Welcome. Find a comfortable seat on the floor or in a chair. Let your spine grow tall and your shoulders soften. Rest your hands gently on your lap. Allow your eyes to close or soften your gaze. Take a deep inhale through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Repeat that 2 more times. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Let your breath settle into its natural rhythm now. And begin to sense the points of contact between your body and the ground. Feel the support beneath you. Let your breath anchor you here and now. We'll begin with sound. Let the vibrations guide you deeper into stillness. Notice the sound. Where do you feel it in your body? Let the vibration wash over you and through you. Notice the space between the tones. Notice the space between your thoughts. This space is sacred. It is still and it is yours. Let go of needing to do anything. Simply be. Sound will come and fade, and you are here for all of it. Each note is an invitation to breathe more deeply, to listen more fully, to settle more completely. If your mind wanders, simply return to the sound or to the silence it leaves behind. Now rest in stillness. Feel your body. Feel your breath. Notice what has shifted. You may feel a greater sense of space, a quiet hum beneath the surface, a gentle awareness of being fully here. Begin to deepen your breath. Inhale slowly through your nose. Exhale completely through your mouth. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Roll your shoulders gently. Feel your body awakening. Bring your palms together at your heart center. Take a breath in and out. Let the resonance of sound stay with you as clarity, calm, and connection. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste.